Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XL in magnetic. It has black cloth interior, seating for four doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and a 6-foot box. A 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has a backup camera, as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and this is the high mount light in the rear. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, as well as media and volume and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that you can toggle through. So we're just going to get in there. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center you have a little cubby, and there's your radio with your media, AM, FM. As well, you have your volume and tuner hazard lights, your climate control with the fan. You also have your AC and max AC, as well as the front defrost. And down below, a couple of 12-volt USB and auxiliary line in. As well, you have your auto stop start, locking differential, tow haul, and traction control. There's your 4x4, automatic select shifter, the emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up and it gives you a little more storage. You also have a glove compartment off to the side, and then you have a an auto dimming rear view mirror. Now when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view, and you're seeing it come up there, so it's right in your line of sight, which is kind of nice. You have your lighting controls up top, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And just below the Ford badge is where your backup camera is located. You also have a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up the box, simply put your hand in the latch. Inside, it's nicely lined with a drop-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, and there's seating for 2 in the back. Now what I've done is I've taken one of the seats off just to show you how this works. And the bin, you just undo it and then lift it up. You've got storage in here. There's a jack on the other side, and then just twist it to close it right up. There's a picture on the back of the seat telling you how to put it back in, which is easy enough to do. Now I've got it with one hand. It just slides in, you've got hooks, and then it snaps down. You also have a 12-volt in the center, and this vehicle comes with all-weather mats for easy cleanup, also carpeted mats. Up above, there's hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a big window. Black bumper, mud flaps, 6-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.